Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Learn with Luke, where today we're going to walk through Xometry's test part process for becoming a Xometry Manufacturing Partner. I'm Luke, Xometry's Community and Marketplace Engagement Lead, and I'm joined today by Meredith Jenkins. Meredith, how's it going? Do you want to give everybody that's watching kind of a little introduction today?
Hey, Luke. Yeah, thank you for having me today. Hey guys, my name is Meredith Jenkins, and I'm a partner onboarding specialist here at Xometry. And excited to have you all here watching our clip on the test part.
Yeah, absolutely. So first, I'm going to kind of show how to get to the test part articles in our community. So I'm going to share my screen. And so this is our homepage for our community. And so when you're here, what you're going to want to do is come to our Help Center in the top navigation, click that, brings you to all of our knowledge bases. We're going to click on the Partner Network one, scroll down to Partner Onboarding Guide, click that. And then here on the left-hand side, you can see complete your test part. That gives you a brief little overview of kind of what we're going to be talking about today with the test part. And then down here, all of our available test parts. So the CNC mill, CNC lathe, sheet metal bent, sheet metal flat, and so on. And then when you scroll down a little bit more, we have all of our FAQs that answer some of our generic questions that we get when it comes to the test parts. So that's kind of where the articles are. So I'm going to stop sharing now. And that's enough for me. So now we're going to talk to Meredith. So Meredith, first question I got for you, can you give us a brief little introduction to Xometry's test part process?
Yeah, sure. So the test part process is pretty simple. Xometry has 4 different test parts for you to choose from, just like you mentioned prior to this. So we have the CNC mill, CNC lathe, the sheet metal bed, and sheet metal flat test part. So basically, after you've created an account with us, we just ask that you submit the form. It's linked in the community just to let us know, what test part you'd like to complete. And then we will actually provide you with the raw material for the test part, just depending on what you pick. And we'll also, we'll ship you the material, you'll complete the test part, and then you ship it back to us with the provided shipping label. And then, we'll complete a quality inspection and email you the results and next steps.
Yeah, okay, great. So it kind of links out of the community. So it's nice that it all kind of lives in there for you to kind of get the ball rolling on that. So then if you are a new manufacturer, or does kind of every manufacturer have to complete a test part when they are onboarding?
No, not every partner is required to complete a test part. If your shop carries ISO 9001, ISO 13485, ITAR, or AS 9100, you are exempt from completing a test part.
Okay.
Also, with our additive, injection molding, and urethane casting partners, we do have a slightly different onboarding process. So just reach out to us if you do have those capabilities, and if you're interested in joining the network, and we'll kind of guide you to the next steps.
Okay, cool. So what happens if a manufacturer fails their test part?
All right, so if a partner fails their test part inspection, we do invite you to, we want you to try again. Don't get discouraged. We want you to join the partner network. However, we do recommend, you kind of review where you went wrong, just to make sure, you're set up for success when you do try again. We recommend waiting 30 days before requesting another test part, but please reach out to us if you're wanting to try again, and we'll help you with that.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's not like if you fail your test part, you're never allowed to join Xometry. It's we're going to work with you and kind of get you there.
Yes, for sure. Just reach out and we'll help you with that.
Cool. So kind of being a part of the partner team, what are you specifically looking for when it comes to the test part?
Okay, yeah. We're looking for a couple things. The gist of it is, we're looking to make sure that you can successfully manufacture a sample part according to the communicated specifications. Each test part is a little different, but we're testing you with the material, meeting different call outs, whether you can thread holes, etc. This is just a gate check just to make sure you will be successful with us.
Yeah, that's great. If you were a brand new partner in the Xometry Partner Network, what would you want to pay the closest attention to as it regards the test part?
Okay, here. The CNC mill test part is the most common. You just want to make sure you can tap and inspect, threaded holes. Pay close attention to GD and T. We throw different call outs at you. So again, just make sure you can manufacture to the spec and you're able to inspect it.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So kind of to wrap us up, kind of a final question. Do you have any tips and tricks for our community members that are watching today when it comes to the test part?
Yeah, so just like I mentioned before, we just want to make sure that you're able to machine and inspect, the call outs on the part. Make sure your inspection equipment is calibrated so you're not accidentally, shipping parts out of spec. Pay attention to packing and shipping to avoid any shipping damage. And again, reach out to us if you get stuck. We're here to help you. We want you to succeed, and we want you to become, a manufacturing partner on the Xometry network. So we're willing to work with you if your capabilities are a fit, for the type of work that we see. So we're here to help. So please just reach out. We have a great team here.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So Meredith, thank you for joining us today. Like, this was great. I learned a ton about the test part, and I'm sure everybody that was watching did too. Um, Thanks everybody for watching this episode of Learn with Luke, and check in next week for another one. Thanks.